Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix important battery message unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. Health information not available for this battery. So guys, if you try to check the health of your battery and you are getting the error like this, then it means the battery has been changed. Okay guys, if the Apple changed the battery, then you can't see this type of message. Okay guys, if anyone changed the original battery and put any local battery in your iPhone, maybe that's why you are getting the error like this. Okay guys, so you don't need to worry about this. Okay guys, and if you want to get rid of this message, tap on learn more, and after that guys you can see the dismiss option. Tap on that, and after that guys you can easily disappear this message. Okay guys, so health information are not available for you if you have changed the battery or if anyone has changed the battery. Okay guys, if Apple has changed the battery, then you can't see this type of error. Okay guys, so you don't need to worry about this. Okay guys, because your battery has been changed and you don't have the original or genuine battery. So that's pretty much for our today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.